Hello everybody, I'm back with the Trickle Charge update. That's using the 5 microfarad side of my capacitor in series to the AC side of a bridge rectifier, and of course the battery's hooked up to the positive and negative. But anyway, as you can see, it's climbed on up to 12.75 on a trickle charge, and we're right at 2 hours and 27 minutes in time, and still just drawing 1.8 watts. No kilowatt hours used as yet. The time is 2 hours and 31 minutes according to the kilowatt clock. Still hanging at 0.21 amps. So just rocking right on along. 1.7 watts consumption off the mains power. Anyway, well, that's going on. I got other projects going too, but gave my works a workout. Got the bag full there. This is my other favorite tool, my little Ryobi. It's 2-stroke Ryobi. You can put different heads on it. That head right there is the blower head. I thought it was going to be like a toy, but man, it is a tool. There's my weed eater, and then I've got an edger, and then also I have the trimmer. And so I'm just got through picking up all the leaves right here. I started just where I said I was going to, right here on the corner. And I'm going to go ahead and just, like cutting wood, one piece at a time. And somehow my drain got busted out, so I got to put a drain cover on there. I didn't realize it got busted out. I guess it just got old. So I'm just going to keep working on around here and enjoying my day cleaning, and that's what I'm up to. Hope y'all are having a great day. Hope you're having fun, because we are.